You must not fight too often with one enemy, or you will teach him all your art of war. The adage, "You must not fight too often with one enemy, or you will teach him all your art of war," conveys a strategic principle that transcends military contexts, offering valuable insights applicable to various spheres of life, including business, sports, and personal relationships. This statement suggests that engaging in repeated conflicts with the same adversary can inadvertently result in revealing one's strategies and techniques, ultimately diminishing one's competitive advantage. By examining the structure and meaning of this sentence, we can appreciate the depth of wisdom it imparts. Structurally, the sentence is composed of two main clauses connected by a coordinating conjunction. The first clause, "You must not fight too often with one enemy," provides a directive or piece of advice. Here, the subject "you" indicates the audience of the advice, while the modal verb "must" conveys a sense of necessity or obligation. The verb phrase "not fight too often with one enemy" elaborates on the action to be avoided, with "too often" specifying the frequency and "with one enemy" indicating the target of the action. The coordinating conjunction "or" serves as a bridge to the second clause, "You will teach him all your art of war," which presents the consequence of not adhering to the advice. In this clause, the subject "you" is followed by the modal verb "will," indicating a future outcome. The verb "teach" denotes the unintended action, with him as the indirect object receiving the action, and "all your art of war" as the direct object specifying what is being taught. The meaning behind this adage is profound. Engaging in frequent conflict with the same adversary can lead to the unintentional disclosure of one's strategies, thereby empowering the opponent with knowledge that can be used against you. This principle highlights the importance of maintaining an element of unpredictability and guarding one's methods and tactics to preserve a competitive edge. In the context of warfare, this advice is particularly salient. Historical examples abound where military leaders who repeatedly employed the same strategies found their enemies adapting and countering their tactics. By avoiding excessive engagements with the same foe, a commander can prevent the enemy from gaining insights into their operational methods, thus retaining a strategic advantage. Beyond the battlefield, this principle applies to various competitive arenas. In business, for instance, companies that continuously confront the same competitors with predictable strategies risk revealing their business models, marketing tactics, and operational strengths and weaknesses. Savvy competitors can then adapt and exploit this knowledge to outmaneuver and surpass them. Similarly, in sports, coaches and players who employ the same plays and techniques repeatedly against the same teams may find their opponents developing effective countermeasures. On a personal level, this adage can be interpreted as advice to avoid repetitive conflicts in relationships. Engaging in the same arguments with a partner or friend can lead to a predictable pattern where each party learns the other's weaknesses and tactics, potentially escalating conflicts rather than resolving them. In conclusion, the adage, "You must not fight too often with one enemy, or you will teach him all your art of war," offers a timeless piece of strategic wisdom. By analyzing its structure, we uncover the depth of its meaning and its applicability across various domains. The advice underscores the importance of maintaining unpredictability and safeguarding one's methods to preserve a competitive advantage. Whether in warfare, business, sports, or personal relationships, this principle serves as a valuable reminder to approach conflicts with caution and strategic foresight. Impossible is a word to be found only in the dictionary of fools. The phrase impossible is a word to be found only in the dictionary of fools, carries a profound message about the nature of possibility and human potential. This statement asserts that the concept of impossible is a construct embraced only by those lacking vision and determination. By analyzing the structure and meaning of this sentence, we can better appreciate the depth of its wisdom and its relevance in fostering a mindset of possibility and resilience. Structurally, the sentence is composed of a main clause that defines and characterizes the subject. The subject impossible is linked to its complement through the linking verb is. The subject complement, a word to be found only in the Dictionary of Fools, elaborates on the subject, providing a detailed description that encapsulates the sentence's core message. Breaking down the subject complement further, we find a noun phrase, a word, which is modified by an infinitive phrase, to be found only in the Dictionary of Fools. The infinitive phrase describes the noun word, specifying its location and implying its limited relevance. The adverb only restricts the location to the Dictionary of Fools, emphasizing the exclusivity of this belief to a particular group. The prepositional phrase in the Dictionary of Fools provides additional context, with the dictionary symbolizing a set of beliefs or mindset, and of fools indicating the possessors of this mindset. The meaning behind this adage is clear. Those who believe in the concept of impossible are deemed unwise or lacking in insight. This statement challenges individuals to reconsider their perceptions of limitations and encourages a mindset oriented towards possibilities and solutions. It suggests that true wisdom and capability lie in rejecting the notion of impossibility and instead embracing challenges with creativity and determination. In the realm of innovation and progress, this mindset is particularly vital. History is replete with examples of individuals who defied conventional beliefs about what was possible. Pioneers like Thomas Edison, who invented the electric light bulb despite numerous failures, and the Wright brothers, who achieved powered flight against all odds, exemplify the triumph of persistence and vision over the notion of impossibility. These individuals saw beyond the limitations imposed by contemporary knowledge and pushed the boundaries of what was achievable. The sentence also carries significant implications for personal growth and development. Embracing the belief that nothing is impossible fosters resilience and perseverance. It empowers individuals to tackle challenges with confidence and to view setbacks as opportunities for learning and improvement. By rejecting the word impossible, one cultivates a growth mindset, which is essential for achieving success and fulfillment in various aspects of life. Moreover, this adage serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of language and mindset in shaping our reality. The words we choose to believe in and the narratives we construct about our abilities profoundly influence our actions and outcomes. By eliminating impossible from our vocabulary, we open ourselves to a world of possibilities and pave the way for extraordinary achievements. In conclusion, the phrase impossible is a word to be found only in the Dictionary of Fools, offers a timeless piece of wisdom that challenges us to rethink our perceptions of limitations. By analyzing its structure, we uncover the depth of its meaning and its relevance in fostering a mindset of possibility and resilience. This adage underscores the importance of rejecting limiting beliefs and embracing a vision of boundless potential. Whether in the pursuit of innovation, personal growth, or overcoming challenges, this perspective encourages us to view the concept of impossible as a construct of the unwise and to strive towards realizing our fullest potential.